Welcome. If you're concerned about your privacy and want to stop Instagram from accessing your call logs, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable call logs access for Instagram on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all the permissions for your apps, including Instagram. Next, scroll down and tap on the section labeled Apps or App Management. Depending on your phone brand, the name might vary slightly, but it's usually easy to spot. This section lists every app installed on your device. Now find Instagram in the list. You can scroll through the apps or use the search bar at the top to type in Instagram for quicker access. Once you see Instagram, tap on it to open its settings. Inside Instagram's app settings, look for permissions. This is where you decide what information and features Instagram can access on your phone. Tap on Permissions to see all the options. Here, you'll see a list of permissions like camera, microphone, contacts, and more. Find call logs in this list. Tap on Call Logs, and you'll be given a choice to allow or deny access. Select Don't Allow or Deny to make sure Instagram can't access your call logs anymore. That's it. You've just taken an important step to protect your privacy. Instagram will no longer be able to read or log your phone's call history. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to these settings and adjust permissions as needed. Remember, managing app permissions is a great way to control what information you share and keep your data safe. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other privacy tips.